Solving absolute value equations, example 3. This becomes a little bit more complicated. We're asked to solve for x, and we're given that the absolute of x plus 3, the absolute value of x plus 3 must equal to 2x minus 7. So before I solve this absolute value equation, I'm going to write down the definition of an absolute value again, and we know that the absolute value of x will equal to x for x greater than or equal to 0, and it equals to negative x if x is less than 0. Right, using the definition, we're going to start solving. So the first step is to let x plus 3 equal to or greater than 0. So we say if x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, that is, if x is greater than negative 3, and I have that x plus 3 equals to 2x minus 7. I'm going to write down the next solution, or if x plus 3 is less than 0, that is if x is less than negative 3 and x plus 3 equals to the negative of 2x minus 7. Let's go back to the left-hand side and solve for x. So we transpose x across the equals to sign. So we're going to have 2x, x subtract 2x will give me minus x equals to, and if I take 3 across, I'm going to have minus 10. So x equals to 10. I check my solution against my restriction. My restriction is asking me to find any value greater than or equal to negative 3, and x equals to 10 satisfies my restriction. We move to the next solution on the right hand side. So we have that x plus 3 equals to minus 2x minus 7. We remove our brackets. So we have that x plus 3 will equal to minus 2x plus 7. I bring my x across the equals to sign, and I have that 2x plus x gives me 3x. I take 3 across to the right hand side, and I have 7 subtract 3 will give me 4. I divide both sides by 3, so I see that x equals to 4 over 3. Once again, I check my solution against my restriction. I'm looking for any value less than negative 3, and 4 over 3 does not satisfy my restriction. So therefore, the only solution is x equals to 10. I've also used the graphing program to sketch the graph of the absolute value of x plus 3. So the red graph is y equals to the absolute value of x plus 3. The blue graph is the graph y equals to 2x minus 7. So when we were solving the equation, and I'm just going to scroll up to show you the equation, we were asked to solve the absolute value of x plus 3 must equal to 2x minus 7. So we were actually finding the point of intersection, or the points of intersection of the two graphs, and we can clearly see that the two graphs only intersect at x equals to 10.